What's for breakfast? Cereal. A custom blend of bran and Rice Krispie. Well, Bran Crispy, I guess. Bran Crispy. With, oops. There's some escaping the bowl. Overboard. With lactose free milk. Yeah. So that's what for breakfast here at Bixby 69 BIXBY69 on your YouTube channel. Yeah, I know I haven't uploaded really a whole lot the last few days. Just not been feeling it. But I appreciate everyone sticking by and not giving up ship and hope. But look at this. Custom blend brands and Rice Krispie treats. Yes, I'm right by the sink. Anyways, hope you all have a great day. Remember, subscribe, please, and you're all loved. Okay? Bye.